Welcome back to the Brewery Project training tutorial. In this session, we are going to set up the tags that will be used throughout the project. But first, let's talk about something unique to Factory Studio, tag templates. Tag templates are a way to define your process, similar to an asset model. Once the tag templates are created, it becomes a very quick process to create displays. Let's take a look at our process to determine what our asset tree should look like. In the brewery process you see here, we have three key items: pumps, valves, and tanks. Those three key items can be defined as a line. Within each brewery line, we would then have a tank template, which contains both pump and valve templates. With our base asset model defined, we could now create the grist mill, mash tun, lauter tun, and brew kettle as individual tank templates. Each of the tanks would then inherit the tags from the pump, valve, and the tank templates. Let's put this into action by creating tag templates, which will additionally create your asset model. First, let's start with the pump template. We start with the lowest piece of the asset tree, since it's clear that the tank will subscribe to both pumps and valves. For the pump template, we will create the following digital tags: manual on, manual off, status, and an auto manual bit. Now let's go ahead and create the valve template. Most tags will be similar to the pump template, so we will have a manual on, a manual off, a status bit, an auto manual bit, and we will create a %open tag that will be of type integer. Now that the pump and valve templates are created, it's time to create the tank template. The tank template will have a temperature tag, and that temperature tag will be of type double. We'll have a pressure tag, level, pH, and we'll now type in supply valve and make that of type valve, and outlet pump and create that of type pump. Both of those using the tag templates that we had created previously. Lastly, we'll create the brew line template, which will contain all of our tanks. Selecting the brew line, we'll go ahead and add the grist mill of type tank, the mash tun, the lauter tun, and the brew kettle. Our tag templates are now complete according to the image in the upper right. Now that we have the templates defined, we can create our tags. Let's create two brewery lines. First, we'll create brew line 1 as type brew line, and then brew line 2 as type brew line. Both of these tags are separate brewery lines with a complete asset structure, which includes all of the tanks, pumps, valves, as well as their associated tag values such as temperature, level, manual off, auto. Here in the asset tree, you will see exactly that. If we take a look at the asset model, we can see both brew lines and all the tags associated. Additionally, Anywhere in the product, we can use IntelliSense to dive into that tag structure. This includes areas such as search, display object animations, and within code such as VB.NET or C#.
That's off.